In situ lies a hidden architecture, forged by nature's genius. What seems solid is a universe of microscopic design. A lattice so perfect, it defies even steel. Every cell, every fiber, a masterpiece of strength and balance. Steel may resist, but bone learns. It bends, absorbs, heals itself. A living composite, organic and mineral fused in harmony. Pound for pound, bone outruns steel. It's not metal, it's living intelligence. When broken, it whispers to itself and rebuilds. Millions of silent builders working in the dark. Each shock absorbed, each stress remembered. It evolves through pressure, perfection shaped by survival. Our cities mimic its design, yet can't surpass it.
Stronger, smarter, alive.
What man forged in fire, nature perfected in silence. This is not just structure, it is survival's art. Bones, stronger than steel, and far more alive.